Morning, I'm Daryl Ponton. I collect scrap and reclaim valuable metals from useless items that people throw in the trash. There's various items you can reclaim valuable metals from. You have larger items like washers and dryers and air conditioners. All scrapping items are valuable if you cash them in at the right time. Today I'm going to show you a few tricks to make the most money for your scrapping. Okay, today's scrapping project, we're going to tear this air conditioner apart. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the housing off the air conditioner. Cut or snip any lines that are in our way. Then we want to remove the sealed unit. Most of the time the bolts on these are 1/2 inch or 9/16. Of course. And then we don't have a ratchet. You're going to have to remove the fan blade and fan shroud to get to the last bolt on the sealed unit. Now you're going to snip the electrical supply line and remove these 1/4 inch screws from this fan housing. 1/4 inch or 5/16, depending on the style of air conditioner. Now we're going to remove any remaining screws that's on this back side. Now you should be able to tip the front radiator out and take it out of there. Remove the clip that holds the fan blade assembly. Now we'll be able to remove the fan motor from this back side. I want to cut a few spots on this air conditioning housing so I can compact the metal. Okay, let's review the items that we disassembled from the air conditioner. We have all the steel housing. We had the radiators we had to recover the copper from. We have a sealed unit that we had to recover the copper out of there also. We have an electric motor we had to recover copper from it. All the copper piping in needs cleaned up. Now I'm going to continue disassembling all the parts on the air conditioner. The elbow is cut off, so you want to get this piece of metal off here. Now we're going to clean up these copper lines. Now we're going to work on the electrical control box. Small space in here to tap a screwdriver or a small chisel in there to pry this field out. You want to cut these nylon wires off there first. The last and final step is to recover the copper out of the sealed unit. Definitely not an easy task to get these opened up. Alright, we're going to get these nylon wires cut on this field. Alright, here's all the metals that were recovered from the air conditioner. 75 pounds of steel, almost 13 pounds of radiator, a half a pound of insulated wire, 7 pounds of copper. We have a few electronic pieces to recover some valuable metals from.